To set Air View or S Pen hover to pointer only on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Advanced Features. Tap Advanced Features. Tap S Pen. Next, tap Air View. If this menu is still off, you can tap the on-off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Next, select pointer only. To see how this feature works, we will try it while using Note app. To do so, open Note app. Remove your S Pen from your phone. Now hover your S Pen on a note. You can see that your phone will only show you the pointer of your S Pen, so you can easily see where your S Pen is pointing at. The pointer looks like a small circle that will move to the point where you hover your S Pen. As a note, you can also use this feature in another apps like Gallery app, Calendar, Video, My Files, and else. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.